All right, so it's a 1978 Ford F-150. Just a quick walk around video for you. Original paint. Got the dual tanks, gas tanks. I do have different rims, the period correct rims. Pretty good tread there. Bumper, tailgate here. I have a full custom exhaust system. It's headers back. The headman headers on this 460. Put her up here for you. The interior is just absolutely beautiful. Door panels. This is the original bench seat. The interior, we are missing the Ford logo here, and then as well as the radio knobs. Factory AC, and as well, you can see here the dash pad does have cracking there. Headliner's perfect condition. Get that light out of there. And we'll walk around. Let's pop the hood here. Alright, so this was a rebuilt 460. Put a comp cam in it. Brand new headman headers there. See the exhaust system back there. The only issue that I really have now is this power steering line is just started acting up. It just started leaking. But everything else, I put a new water pump, new timing chain. I have a quick fuel carburetor, new spark plugs, wires. It's an absolute blast to drive. New battery, new starter solenoid, new starter, brand new. Get that camera in there. Of course, I had to go get new engine mounts with the rebuild. There you go.